Highway interdiction is where law enforcement makes a concerted effort along what are considered known smuggling routes to stop a very, very high volume of cars. They'll stop cars for some of the most nefarious reasons. And start into the, and first thing they really just want to do is look around and then make some assessment whether they think these people might have something. And they're not looking just because you have long hair or, I've seen them do interdictions on 67-year-old grandmothers and find, 80 pounds in her trunk. So it's not any one thing. I've got a long list of things that they consider indicators, but mainly they just want to get up there and look at you and do a gut instinct, and then they're going to be really just as sweet as they can be. You're going to think they're just a good old boy. Yes, I was going a mile an hour over the speed limit. And you're going to give me a warning? Oh, thank you. And they invite you back to the car. And what they don't tell you is they're not just going to let you hang out with them back there. They're sitting you down for an on-camera interview. There's cameras hidden in the headliners of those cars, and their investigation has began.